In this video, I am going to explain about the stack. Yes, the stack is a special kind of data structure that works on LIFO principle, which means last in, first out. Imagine a stack of plates. The last plate you put on the top is the first one you take off. The another way to think about it is that you can only add or remove items from one end, usually at the top. You can't reach in the middle or the bottom. Everything happens at that single point. So, stacks are great when you want to keep track of things in the reverse order, like undo actions, browser history, or function calls in a programming. Here, how a stack works with the two main operations, push and pop. A stack is like a stack of plates. You add new plates on the top and remove plates from the top too. This is called the last in, first out. Push operation means adding something new to the top of the stack, and pop means taking the item from the top of the stack. So, with the stack, you always add or remove items from the top, last in, first out. We see a step-by-step example of stack operation. We start with a stack that has three elements, A at the bottom, then B and C at the top. First, we push D onto the stack. Now, D is at the top. The stack looks like A, B, C, D. Next, we push E. E goes on top, so the stack becomes A, B, C, D, E. Then we pop the stack. This removes the top element, which is E. So now the stack is back to A, B, C, D. We pop again. This removes D, leaving A, B, C. Now C is at the top. This example shows the LIFO rule clearly. The last thing you put on the stack is the first one you take off. E was pushed last and popped first. D was pushed before E and popped second. So, pushing always adds to the top and popping always removes from the top. Yes, here is a smooth ending, and that's how a stack works. Simple but super powerful. Remember, last in, first out. Thank you for watching.